guys, this is more than we bargained for. It's about 40 degrees right now, and we got a little snow today, but it's mostly melted now. We're gonna go on an adventure though. We're gonna take you and show you something that's really neat about living in the mountains, and that is the difference in climate between a low elevation where we live and a high elevation. So we're gonna take you up about 3,000 feet higher than here. We're gonna see how much it snowed up there, and if we're lucky, it'll be a winter wonderland. And I know it's colder up there, so we're headed up there, we're bringing sleds, and we're leaving now. Let's do it. All right, does everyone have their coats, jackets, snow pants?
I don't have any gloves.
Yeah, I brought you gloves. Let's go. Stop sign. Hey guys, we've just made our journey across. Now we're about to go up in elevation. My question is, how much snow do you think there's gonna be up there?
I don't know. Not very much, just a couple inches.
How cold do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know, not really cold.
Okay, I'm gonna guess it's gonna be 10 degrees colder than our house, or feel that way, and that there'll be 3 inches of snow.
Four or 5 inches. Guys! Dad, we were both wrong. Get in the sled, water, get in the sled.
Hey guys, this is more than we bargained for as far as the temperature goes. It's not really that cold. It was about 40 degrees at our house. It's probably about 25 degrees here. About 10 to 15 degrees colder, and the temperature's dropping, but there's a consistent gusting wind of like 15 to 25 miles per hour. It is gusty up here, and we're honestly not prepared for this. So we're not going far from the car, because with these kids, man, I've had scares before in my outdoor days in the cold, and I know you can get in trouble fast. We are not, even though everyone has coat, hat, gloves, snow pants except for Grace, and just has face exposed, it is too cold in this wind, honestly. So we're gonna just have fun for a few minutes. We're gonna stick close to the car in case anyone gets really chilled, and then we're probably gonna head down the mountain. But look at this place, guys. Look at this bald mountaintop up here. You can almost not see it because it's so overexposed, but we can fix that. It's just incredibly beautiful out here. Let me fix your gloves, come here.
Okay, let's go higher.
Come here. So let me fix this glove. Are you cold? Are you having fun? Come on, let's go.
Why did it on? Hey Dad.
Get your hood on. Let me get your hood on.
Yeah? This is not what...
All the hikers who've been up on the mountain, they're all coming down and they look cold. You know, if you come to North Carolina, you know, you look at the weather and it says, oh, you came to Asheville and the weather's gonna be highs in the 40s and even the 50s, and you think, well, that's great. Well, if you go on a day hike and you don't really prepare for what the weather could be like out here, you can die. I've talked to the guys, some guys who do rescue on this mountain with the fire department, and they contract with the federal government, and they rescue hundreds of people off this mountain every year. You just think, it's not that bad, it's in the southeast. It can be brutal, and the main thing is the difference you get when you come up here. We're 3,000 feet above our house, and look at this. This is like hundreds of miles north. That's how cold it is here. Same day, and we're probably, how far are we from our house? 20 miles maybe from our house, maybe less. You just take your clothes off all the time. Nope, leave your gloves on. Come on, leave your gloves on. I'm honestly the least stressed of everyone out here.
Whoa, look Listen.
You having fun, big man?
Yeah.
Nice snow angel. Good job. Let's go. Yeah, you got the idea. We've been here about 10 minutes, and Wilder and I are gonna hang out, and the other kids are gonna sled, maybe 5 more minutes, and then we're headed out because it's brutal, guys. I'm honestly shocked at how the wind chill makes it cold out here. I'm not in over my head because I didn't plan on a long hike. It's supposed to hit probably 10 degrees up here tonight. It may be colder, and that's like way sub-zero with the wind chill and the effect it would have on your skin. What do you think about how cold it is?
Not very cold after a while.
Well, you're a wild man. What do you think about how cold it is?
5.
5? I love these mountaintops. The Christmas tree growers actually used to come up here and whoop. You can't do that. All right, give me your hand. Come on, Joy. Here, get in. It's warm in here. There, it's warm right here. Sit down. All right, is everyone warm?
Yeah, I'm hot.
You're hot. Are you warm?
Except my face, it's numb, it's so cold.
Are you warm?
I'm not warm.
Are you warm, Justice?
Sure. Well, can you see what it is?
So we have, the only thing that's cold is Wilder's hands,
Joyful's face.
Joyful's face, and Brighton's feet. How cold are your feet?
Just feel it.
Well, do they hurt or are they just a little cold? He took off his gloves 6 times while we were out there. And they probably fell off an additional 4 times. And he'd throw them. Young man, that's why your hands got cold. Because you took your gloves off over and over.
Say hi.
But you can't get frostbite. Right? Oh, you saying hi? Hi, everybody. Did you guys notice the guy who came here right when we got here to hike? He's already gone. he was out there in the woods, and he had a face mask on and everything, but I think he just had blue jeans. And he was out there for less than 10 minutes.
With a bunch of kids, he didn't even last that long.
Okay guys, we're gonna head home, but before we head home, we're gonna drive down the other side of the mountain and try to see the sunset, and we just have a couple minutes. That's cool, come out that way. Hey guys, you see those pointed mountains out there?
Yeah.
We live right between here and those. Isn't that cool? So in the ones that are like low down there, you can't really hardly see them. Hey guys, it's been another great day on the homestead. Thanks for joining us. We're going home to our sweet home, our toasty little camper.
And we probably might have hot chocolate.
We might have hot chocolate. Hope you enjoyed joining us on the mountain today. 15 degrees colder and a world away, but just down the road. All right, bye.